My right honourable friend has said that going forward, the right decisions were made to deal with everything from poverty to extremism. For that to be the case, my right honourable friend has to focus on the safety and security of women and girls, and that requires access to good and safe education. Can my right honourable friend update us on how he will continue to do that? And during this week against violence against women, the greatest number of women that are being abused are Uyghur women by the Chinese state. Can my right honourable friend update us on what support he can provide Uyghur women?
Foreign Secretary.
Thank my honourable friend. I've set out before the House how we will safeguard what we're doing on girls' education and how we'll maintain our leadership role with the global targets that we set. We're very concerned about the position in Xinjiang. We have recently made Five Eyes statements on it, and in the Third Committee of the United Nations we brought together a much broader pool of countries to express our concern. I think what needs to happen now is that the UN's Human Rights Commissioner or another independent fact-finding body needs to be able to have access to check the facts, because China's rejoinder is always that this is just not happening. There are too many reports that it is, and I think we need to get to the bottom of this, and I think the UN Human Rights Commissioner has a role to play.